Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer, security system, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.